Never been to Texas before, and I'm about to go to Texas 2K for the very first time. I have about a 45-minute drive. The last night was crazy. We're about to have a blast today. Looking forward to seeing how this is going to go. And in case you're wondering, yes, I am in fact wearing overalls. And we are here. We are currently at Texas Motoplex in Texas.
You don't say. You don't say.
Getting ready to walk through the gate. And I have way too much stuff on my person right now, so I can't wait to put all this down. All right, we are here at Texas 2K now. It is packed. There's gonna be a lot of action today, and I'm gonna go over, watch some of the roll racing here in a little bit. Probably gonna go live for a while, but there is so much to do. There's so much activity. And there's so much just actively going on around here all at once. It's absolutely wild. Like, this is an absolutely amazing turnout. Like I said, first year at Texas 2K, and there is so much constantly going on around here right now. It's amazing to see it.
Goes about the 70-mile-an-hour forecast. The breakdown here at 94.39. About 70-mile-an-hour threshold, you see the red line. Wentworth right inside, Vanilla left inside to the top end. And we will see Williams and Martinez. Going about 70 miles an hour. Okay, so if you're wondering what happened here, they both went over 70. Blackwell. When they don't keep it on the in trouble. And a 231-mile-an-hour blast, the best of the week, will not get him there.
The stick shift class is getting prepped and ready for the moment you've all been waiting for. And I just want to say really quick, I got another like 2.5 days of this, and I'm like Larry the Lobster already. I look the same color almost as this RX-7 behind me. Guys are working extremely hard on both cars so we can make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible. So we're gonna make sure everything is at tip-top shape at the best of its capability to make sure that we can perform the best we possibly can.
almost an identical run.